Thank you. That's a big help.
Where'd you get that, Owen? Was it in the mailbox?
Now look inside.
Look inside.
Can you pull that out?
What's in there?
Help you.
It's not all the way open. So. There.
Oh my gosh. Let's look.
What's in there?
Some stickers.
Owen, there's something else in here. Pull it out.
Is that Buzz?
Buzz!
Is it Buzz?
Should we open it?
It's Buzz.
Did Grandma Mimi send you that?
It's a toy for you.
Grandma Mimi sent that. That's cool.
It's Buzz.
What does Buzz say?
Going for the embryo. You push his buttons.
Look. Oh, that's nice.
Does he have his helmet?
I don't think it moves, but cool.
What does Buzz say?
Going for the embryo.
Oh, we have to tell Grandma. What do we tell Grandma?
He was at the train.
He lifted the train.
He lifted the train.
Should we tell Grandma Mimi thank you?
Yeah.
Here, I'll send it to her. Say thanks, Grandma.
Thanks, Grandma.
See, I love Buzz.
I love Buzz. Is it Woody? No, it's Buzz.
To infinity.
We have Woody in the van.
We have Woody in the van, and now you have Buzz too.
They stand him up. Does he stand up?
I don't know. Can you move his legs?
See?
Here, Daddy will help.
Does he stand up? Is that Buzz?
Okay.
And beyond. Is he standing?
He's standing.
Ready to walk?